Is your Canon camera screen suddenly showing green? Don't worry, it usually isn't a serious problem. It's just a few simple steps you can get your display back to normal. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the green screen on your Canon camera. Let's get it fixed now. Solution 1. Check your white balance. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the WB button. Now make sure to select AWB. AWB stands for Auto White Balance. Solution 2. Reset camera settings. Turn on your camera. Now press the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will get 4 wrench icons. Here you will find the clear settings option. Then select clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button. Then select OK. And then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while. And it's cleared everything. Now switch off your camera and then switch back on again and see whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Enable auto sensor. Turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Then go to the wrench 3-dot tab from the top. Now here you will see the sensor cleaning option. Scroll down, select the option, press the set button. Here you will get 3 more options like auto cleaning, clean now, and clean manually. To enable the auto cleaning option, select it, then press the set button. Now select enable, and then press the set button to confirm it. And that's it, your issue should be fixed now. Make sure to give this video a like and thanks so much for watching.